the Laguna Luxury Collection Resort and Spa here in Nusa Dua, right on the beachfront. Now this resort's been welcoming guests for over 30 years, but it's recently had a brand new look. We're going to take you for a walk through the resort today, and you can check out all of the new renovations, the gorgeous new rooms, the 7 lagoon pools. Now this resort is great for families, it's great for couples if you're coming on a honeymoon, and as the name suggests, it is luxury from the minute you walk in. Come and take a look at the resort with us. Restoration celebrates both the past and the future of the Laguna experience. The key elements in the lobby pay homage to the local craftsmanship too. Something that hasn't changed in the lobby is the carving above me. It's been here from the beginning of the resort. This masterpiece evokes the story of the legendary goddess Danu, the water goddess, and his wife, god Vishnu, who maintains peace and harmony over each element in the universe. Another nod to the past is the lighting features found here behind the check-in counters. Now these features are actually made from the original chandelier that hung in the middle of the lobby. And as you can see behind me, the new stunning chandelier feature in the lobby is made from glass, and it's inspired by the ylang-ylang flowers. Isn't it gorgeous? We're here in one of the lagoon view rooms, which has been recently restored, and we want to tell you a little bit about what has inspired the restoration of these rooms. It's been inspired by, of course, the traditions of Bali, by nautical elements that come in with the 7 lagoon pools that are here in the resort, and of course inspired by travel, which is made up in the DNA of the Luxury Collection brand. The main feature of the headboard in the rooms is a panel of the Balinese Suleiman embroidery seen in kabaya fabric and interpreted as abstract floral motif of Bali's neutral tones. You can see the nautical theme coming through with the lamps and the ship-black walls. And one of my personal favorite parts of the new restored rooms is where they pay homage to travel with these suitcase-like bedside tables and the leather detailing throughout the rooms. If you like to have a little bit more space during your stay, the suites have plenty of it. In the suites, you have your own separate living area room, which features a little space to have a dining area or a coffee machine, and then it walks into your huge bedroom and bathroom. In your bedroom, it walks straight into your bathroom, but you can also walk straight out onto your own balcony that overlooks the gorgeous lagoon pools here. If you're someone who really enjoys swimming during your stay, we can highly recommend taking a lagoon access room. Now these rooms walk straight out onto the lagoon. You can come straight from your room for a swim. Choices when it comes to food and drink here at the resort. There are actually 6 different food and beverage outlets right here in the resort. We're at Cornerstones, which is where you come when you're looking for a coffee or some sweet treats. Hi. This is your cappuccino. Thank you. Down on on the beachfront, you'll find Awana Restaurant. Now, this restaurant features an international menu, and you can also get things like catch of the day. If you're visiting from the outside, they have the most amazing Sunday brunch as well that you can come and join in and enjoy the delights. And when you come to the Sunday brunch, you can also stay and use all 7 of the Lagoon pools. When it comes to filling your days here at the resort, if you're not out and about exploring Bali, you have these 7 amazing lagoon pools to enjoy, and you're also right on the beautiful beachfront of Nusa Dua, which means you can do water sports. There's also a beautiful long pathway to take walks, rides, runs. You really have everything right at your fingertips here. One of the things we really love about the Laguna is that it is a plastic-free resort. You won't be served any drinks in plastic bottles. There won't be plastic packaging. It's all gone completely plastic-free, and part of their sustainability measure and raising awareness here in Bali about plastic waste is Lulu. You'll find Lulu the turtle at the front of the resort on the beach side here, and if you do have any plastic bottle waste or people walking by have plastic waste, they can pop it into Lulu and the resort will send it away to a recycle facility right here in Bali. During your stay at the resort, make sure you make your way to the balai, which is right near the lobby. Here you'll get to experience the Jammu ritual. Jammu is a traditional drink in Indonesia, and when you come to the ritual, you will learn all about the drink and how to make it, which we're going to do right now. Hi! The Balai Lounge Bar is also the place to come to enjoy your daily or nightly cocktails. They have a happy hour come sundown and lots of live entertainment. This lounge bar has been inspired by the spice trade, so in your delicious drinks that they serve you here, you'll notice that there's a lot of spices used in their creations. Thank you. Cheers. Guests staying at the resort on Friday evenings can make their way down to the temple and take part in a traditional Balinese blessing ceremony right outside the temple here. And then in Banubiru, the restaurant, you can enjoy a delicious Indonesian and Balinese buffet to go along with it. Banubiru restaurant is inspired by the traditional fishing villages of Bali, and you can see elements of the fishing village right throughout the restaurant. This restaurant is where you enjoy your breakfast, and in the evenings there is buffets happening every night. On Friday nights is a special buffet which is Indonesian and Balinese cuisine, and it starts with a hand washing ritual. Enjoyed taking a walk through the Laguna Luxury Collection Resort and Spa here in Nusa Dua and getting a sneak peek at their brand new look. This is a gorgeous resort just waiting for you to book your next holiday. Check the link and we'll have all the details on how to book.